How does in this and what else is possible? So, hello, hello, hello. So today's topic is choice creates. So, what is choice for you? Okay, never mind. All the DJCCs and all the PES juniors that we function from, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate them all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, pro, ad, basis, questions, and beyonds. So, what is choice for you? What do you mean by choice?
I feel choice is empowerment.
Oh, no. Uh, yes, okay, that's beautiful. But what is choice for you? What does it, when do you make a choice? Do you make a choice? What kind of choice do you make? And how do you make a choice? Do you think about it? Do you know, what, what, in, what is the incentive or what is the joy or what is the reason behind the choices? Do you go for those? Or how do you make a choice?
The reasons, of course.
So is that a choice?
Yeah.
That is a justification. Is that really a choice? We spend so much time thinking about what this choice would show up, or what would this create if I choose. If I choose this, what will this create? How many times have you said, if I had a choice? Do you have a choice? Do you guys, hi Vijay, Shimona, do you guys have choice?
Of course, yes.
Do you think you have a choice?
Definitely.
It took a long time for me to acknowledge that I have a choice. I had so many things that I don't have. How can I choose? I can't choose because of this. I can't choose because of this. But after coming to Access, I realized I have a choice with absolutely everything. It is
Hmm.
an excuse to commit to self that you actually have a choice. People keep saying, I want change, oh God. I wish things would change. I wish, or keep thinking about it. So, honest to you, you always think you have a choice? If you always thought you had a choice, would you have any problem? Come on, guys.
No.
Yeah. So that's why I said, what makes you choose? If it's always justification and reason, rather than the joy of it, rather than the possibility, rather than the lightness, rather than the knowing behind uh, that, oh my God, if I choose this, your body is, your being is, the universe is showing you, go for it, but you will not go for it because you have to go through all those filters that you have put in your head.
Hmm.
You ask for it and something shows up, not the way you had wanted it to show up,
Hmm.
you will make it wrong. You order something and when it shows up, you're not happy because you pictured something different. What do you do then? How do you handle it? Truth. Neera is on Insta rather than with us here. That is also with us, by the way. Hi, Zakshi.
Choice.
Hi, Jay.
Choice.
Yeah. Yes, choice. What choice
Yeah.
do you have? When something that you asked for, that you asked the Lord, or you asked the anybody, for your children, your parents, your in-laws, the cook, the restaurant, the tailor, or whoever, when it doesn't turn up the way you thought it is going to turn up, what do you do?
Return it.
How do you handle it? You return it. Can you return the cloth that you have given to the tailor to stitch it? What do you do? What choice do you have then? I have learnt, I have recognized, acknowledged that if I am in a constant state of question, then I am in a constant state of choice and a constant state of creation. It's very interesting how things show up in life. So many times you book a flight, the timing changes, or you get up in the morning with, I will do this, and you are not, you can't. There's a man proposes and God disposes. I don't know how much I believe in it now. You have this hick, you have this knowing that this is before the thing happens. Have you ever trusted your knowing? Have you asked a question? You always have a choice to get angry, or you always have a choice to ask a question and see what is possible. When you choose something, the world goes boom, 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 lighter, or it goes contract. What would you choose? Would you go to go to your head and find out what's right and wrong about this choice? Your whole world, your whole reality, your whole body knows what's this choice going to create. Are you aware? Are you present? Do we ask, hey, what would this choice create? When you choose something, it has an energy of lightness, because that's when you choose it, right? And then immediately we go into our head. And what do? We give up our choices. And then you don't trust yourself. You don't trust your knowing. You trust that right and wrong mind that you have created that keeps you in a loop. Am I making any sense, guys?
Yes.
Only Revati is present.
You
What
know, this happened in my case, as you mentioned about the tailor. Okay. My size is 42, he has stitched 52.
sorry?
This has happened in my case.
Hmm?
You said that if the tailor stitches wrong size,
Hmm.
this happened in my case, and I'm not able to wear the dress till now. It's been more than 20 years. It's just lying.
Yeah. So what choice do you have with that?
Nothing. Just
No,
lying.
no choice. You could give it up to somebody who will fit into it. You could get it altered. You could get it, whatever. What else would you like to do with it? Just see it every time and crib and complain and blame and.
No, I have forgotten.
No, you haven't, because it's so long and you're still remembering it.
Because you brought up today, I
So
remembered.
ask a question. Ask a
Mm.
question. I mean, I've been asking myself questions about things lying in my cupboard. They say that if you haven't worn it for a year, then please give it away. Throw it away, give it away, burn it, whatever you want to do with it, please do it, because every time you see it, the same story runs in your head. The Sakshi is written something true. We are never ready for and still manage to accept and adapt to it. Yeah, acceptance and adaptance is not a choice. That's giving up you. That's giving up the choice that you have. You accept and you adapt because you think or you have told yourself lies that you don't have a choice. You always have a choice. You don't trust yourself. What do I know? What am I aware of here? What choice is available to me here? If you didn't make anything significant, if you didn't give anything in so much of importance, defined it, made it more significant than you get to choose for you. You get to choose what works for you. You can choose even if nobody else is choosing. Just because somebody else is choosing different, you too have to choose it? No. You always have a choice. You always have a choice to choose what works for you. How about expanding your realm of choice? Every time you feel you're stuck, hey, what choice do I have here that will create greater for the good of all? Anything that is light would create for the good of all. Anything that's contracted would be for you and will not create greater. And ask, how many choices do I have here? We think we have only one or two choices. There are a million choices you could have. We choose something and then it doesn't work the way we would want it, and then we give up or we complain, or we rather than, hey, because so many times it's happened that you were called by somebody else and that person did not help, but there was another person sitting in their house, or on the roadside you met somebody and another person, you didn't want to meet that person, you changed the line. But if you had asked a question and gone ahead, that person next to him could have given you plenty, was there for you, but you avoided it. If you only asked a question, you would get clarity as to this would be this choice would be something that will create greater. Or every time we choose something and it doesn't happen, we think it's now this is done. No, everything is the opposite of what appears to be. Nothing is the opposite of what appears to be. Ask a question. Why am I here? What is this that I'm not willing to see? What's the gift in this? Who is this person? What is the situation? The gift of choice with questions. Say a little more about that. What would be the gift? Universe? And there's something when you get stuck and something doesn't happen the way, I am actually learning to be grateful for that chaos. I'm a demanding person. I don't accept many things. I know more is possible. I know there is so much in the universe, is abundant space. Universe, let's go. Acceptance is letting go of you of the being that you are. You have doubt in your world. Those are the points of view that you're staying with, you're functioning from. Whenever you say, I know how this is going to show up, I'm going to do this because I know how it's going to show up, and it doesn't show up the way you think it's going to show up, then you make you wrong or make somebody else wrong. Rather than, what's the gift in this? What did this choice create? Or if you are stuck here, what choice did I make that created this? Your choice creates, guys, something, good, bad, or whatever. I'm willing to do whatever it takes to create what works for me. You choose to live the way you would want to live. We wake up in the morning and we go, should I have, or should I do, or this is what I have to do? Or how many of you go for that? Have a list of things to do. Or do you ask, hey, body, what would you like to do today? What would you like to eat today? Where would you like to go? Who would you like to meet? Just choose. Doesn't work. Okay, next. Choice is only good for 10 seconds. Dane, I've heard many classes. He says, I have made more bad choices than most people have the guts to make choice. So what if they're bad? Every choice brings something for you to be aware of. So ask yourself, what am I not choosing today that could create greater for me and for my body and for my life and for my living and for the world? What am I not choosing today that I could be choosing that would allow my life to show up with ease, joy, and glory? Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVAD, bases, questions, and beyonds. Now, this is a clearing statement. This is like a magic wand. When you use it after a question, it clears the energy, but makes you light. If you want to know more about it, please go to theclearingstatement.com on net. Did anyone of you feel little more lighter after I used this statement?
Yes.
You just choose. Try it, guys. There's no harm. Just choose. Say, I'm choose that. I'm going to choose that. I'm having that. And then everything that comes after that, ask a question and go for it. That demand you have in your world, you cannot demand for anybody else, guys. You can only demand for yourself. You cannot control anybody. You cannot demand for anybody. If you demand for you and request of the universe for you, from you, if you have to demand of you. You can't demand of the universe. You request the universe, demand of you, no matter what it takes, no matter what it looks like, I'm having it. It will show up. Not the way you have wanted it to show up, greater than that. If you're willing to see it, if you're blinded and you have blinders on and you're willing to see only how you want to see it, then you probably might miss it. What choice do I have? What action can I take? It's not about I'm choosing this. It's about taking action after that. What energy shows up? Choose that. Follow that. Keep asking questions. You never stop asking questions. Like you never stop. I never stopped concluding everything. ये होगा तो वे होगा. This and that and that. No. It's another question and then another question. What action can I take today that would allow me to have whatever I desire? $1 million to show up in my bank account with total ease. How often do you dismiss deciding, even choosing, because you have said it's impossible? What if nothing was impossible? All the things I thought was impossible, oh my God, I mean, till the age of 60, I hadn't gone anywhere. I always wanted to travel because it was, I want to travel, I want to travel. It kept, rather than choosing it, not taking any action, I just kept asking for it. It kept deluding, it kept going away from me. I mean, these 15, 16 years, or 17, 18 years, I have traveled so much because I took action. So, what are you not choosing? And just sitting there and saying, choice creates, guys. You choose and something gets created. Doesn't get created the way you want it? Next. How many of you choose access tools all the time, or you've decided they don't work?
I choose.
Yeah, I think you're the only one, and I'm the only one here. We're just two of us. None of them are there. They just put their names around, and I'm really marvel at people who get up in the morning and come here to just show a number, a name. Why
So
would
I am
you?
also
Why would you do that? You might as well lie down in the bed for a little longer. Hi, Vijay.
I'm listening whole conversation consciously.
Me too, Kaval.
If you were sitting or talking to people and they were just names there and not there, how would you feel? Would you like to have an audience which doesn't respond? Sometimes we don't choose because it's uncomfortable. To have that level of change that we are asking for, to have that come into our lives, we have to show up. We refuse. We think 8 to 9 we will sit with whatever Kamal says, blah, 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 blah. Listen to that and things would change. Sorry, darlings. Everywhere you're refusing to choose because change will show up, because it's knocking at your doors. Just because you had a thought about the change, it's knocking at your door. It's wanting to come in, it's wanting to contribute to you. You're saying, hang on, I'm not opening my door. Standing there only change. I'm not ready for you. But you change, but you bring something for me. Sorry. Every baby step, every baby choice that you make is creating your today and your tomorrow and your future.
How do we help others create a choice?
No, you will just help yourself. That's all. You choose, you be you, and you change the world by doing nothing. Just being you. They look at you, you become an inspiration.
Okay.
You can't do anything for anybody else, guys. Just get that very clearly. When you ask, universe is happy. Universe says, wow, you're asking for this? Yeah, here it is. Have you noticed when you genuinely ask your partner for something or you genuinely ask somebody from vulnerability of asking, the other person will do anything to give it to you. If somebody
Okay.
comes to you and says, Revti, can you do this for me? Wouldn't you do it, Revti?
I will do.
How about asking that from that knowing? People are willing to help, people are willing to be with you, to create with you, to gift you. They will
Yes.
go out of the way to do it for you. But what
Yes.
energy are you being? Where are you asking from? What points of views are you speaking from? That energy behind you, that aura you have when you ask, that is the one which does not allow them to work for you. When you ask, the universe goes, what? You asked for this? Here it is. Better than you can ever dream. So, what would it take for you to embrace the change that is available and the choice and choose it with ease, joy, and glory and live? Like
Oh,
live the life
wow.
you were made to live.
How nicely you put it.
Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, all 100 shots, boys, pavads, bases, questions, and beyond.
I really love the sentence you made. With ease, joy, and glory. I
Yeah,
really love it. Mm,
thank you. You know, we are living in very interesting times.
yes,
And the
correct.
change, look at the change that's occurring like this.
Hmm. How did we get so lucky?
Yeah, in my lifetime, I have seen the Moriwala, the paisa with hole in it. I have
Hmm.
spent it for that one paisa. I have got 4 golgappas. I've eaten 4 golgappas for that one Mori ka paisa.
Hmm.
And I am here today. So you can
Even when I
imagine.
got married and came, with 50 paisa, I bought 2 kgs of mutton.
Exactly. 100 Maltas used to be there, not kinus. 100 Maltas for 10 rupees.
Yeah.
1 rupee a Malta. No, one, not even 1 rupee. 1 paisa Malta. So we are living in very interesting times, and the change that has occurred. For me, the energy of choice has become like a game, like a buffet laid out.
How lucky we are at the time when we are having access consciousness. How
Yeah.
many people have chosen this
How many people? Yeah,
in this universe? I really love this access consciousness
exactly.
modality.
It's changed my life.
Yes, totally. Thanks to Gary and Dane.
Exactly. So I have a question. Since you come to Access, are you more relaxed with your choices?
Yes. Yes.
How many of you are still trying to get things right? I mean, my whole life, I was trying to get things right.
Kaval, can I say something?
Yes, please go for it, darling. Thank you.
अभी ऐसा तो नहीं लगता है कि things right हो जाए, but then acceptance आ जाता है. Maybe the things doesn't goes what you want, but then we say it's okay, that was for me.
No, so that is not a choice. Acceptance is not a choice, darling.
So sometimes the things
Acceptance
are
is not a
going.
choice. Question is a choice. When you accept something that you've given up, that you cannot have it.
No, after the question. After the question.
No, after the question, okay, what else is possible? How can I do, how can I change this? What is beyond this that I have never even considered? Hey, universe, show me the choices I have. You never give up. You never give
Okay.
up. You never give in. You never quit. You are an infinite being. Everything is laid out available for you. Your point of view ab nahi ho sakta. I must accept it. Yes, you will not get it. Sorry.
Now, example, I had to go to Switzerland. So
I
थोड़ा
had to,
plan बन
sorry, say it again. I didn't hear.
wanted to go to Switzerland, Europe
Okay.
tour.
Yeah.
So then plan भी बना, but then due to some reason, थोड़ा change हो गया है. So now the destination is changing.
Hmm.
So now what should be there? I think
What's
it's
right
okay.
about this? I'm not getting. Hey, this is not the time for Switzerland. Or yes, let's go here first and then, show me when we can go to Switzerland.
Okay.
Am I making any sense, Mamta?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
That's
Yes,
Yeah,
Suman.
Switzerland is very cold now.
Huh?
Eh?
Switzerland is very cold now. Maybe that would not be like you
Not
go,
now,
like I'm
2-3
driving.
months है. Visa procedure and all, 2-3 months are there. But then planning has to be done before, no?
Like those two buildings in US got burnt. The plane went through it, 9/11.
Hmm.
There were so many people who couldn't go to the office.
That's what I'm saying. I mean to say acceptance in the way that was for me.
No acceptance, but what's right about this? What's right about this that I'm not getting? What's the
I
gift
couldn't.
in this? What is the gift in this? Rather than, oh, I can't have it, well, never mind. See
No,
the
not
energy
with that
behind
way.
it.
Yeah, not with that. मेरे
Okay.
मुंह से
Okay.
acceptance निकल गया, but it was like this कि
Ha,
वो,
yeah.
with that moods.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is like, hey, I'm just seeing that what's right about this, I'm not getting.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to Suman. She has a question. Yes, Suman.
I have a sharing, like you asked a question, ki who believes things have to go right. And yes, I was a firm believer on things have to go this way, then these are right.
It's cold.
And you helped me change that perspective by asking questions. And every time I pass a statement, you have questioned that, ki put it in a question form, and that has really helped me change perspective, change the reality around me. And I'm still learning, yes, and it is amazing being in Access.
I'm learning too, still learning. I'm sure Gary and Dana still getting aware of many different things too.
Yes.
So
Every second day there's a webinar.
And
what
also now I've started believing there is nothing which is like impossible. Only thing is we are not asking for it.
they're not asking. Exactly. You have accepted that you will not get it. What if we choose choice to choose? What's light? What's fun? What's pulling us rather than getting it right? People would rather be right than be free.
Yes.
I was a queen of getting things right. concluding everything. It's like building a muscle. Every time you doing something with a justification and a reason and a justification for thing, just ask. If I was just doing it for the fun of it, what would this create? And is it light for me to do that? And poke and pod everything where you are trying to get it right with your choice. What other choice is available here that will be fun? Immediately it takes me out of control and trying to work it out. When you give yourself space, ask what other choice I have available here.
Yes.
The whole lot of possibilities will show up. Whole lot of possibilities will show up.
Thank you, Kamal.
You're welcome, darling. You know, when there are lots of choices, people get paralyzed. They don't want to choose. Like you go to a restaurant, there is so many things to choose from. You want to have all the things that are making you, and then you want to have all the things that everybody is having outside. So just ask a question rather than ordering something that you will not like later. It is okay to desire more. But ask a question. Are you desiring for yourself or are you desiring for somebody else? Everybody is there for eating. Or when you eat more, are you eating it for them or it's yours? Question really helps. What can I choose from the menu of life? Gary says when you go to a restaurant, ask, hey body, what would you like to eat? And open the menu and just put your hand there, and that will be the yummiest thing that you ever had. Try that, guys. No harm.
Kanwal, can I ask you a question?
Yes, please go for it. I love questions.
Yeah, the thing is, there are so many funds, okay, mutual funds and everything. So how do we choose which is good, which
By asking a question. Hey, money, where should I put you? Where will you create more money? Hey, what will it take for my money to create more money?
okay,
Choose, keep choosing, keep asking questions. What if choice was your greatest superpower and it is always available? No one can take it from you. Isn't that amazing?
it's very good. Thank you for this question.
There is no how to choose. There doesn't have
Yes.
to be any logic. Everything is a new possibility if we
Mm.
choose it.
Mm.
When you choose for you and not for the good of all,
Mm.
or when you choose for you and not for someone else, that's when you get to create something. And it also makes them create more. Like, for example, if somebody comes to you and says, I need money,
Okay.
and you say, oh, poor thing doesn't have money and she wants money, so I have lying money and I love this person and this person is in need. You give the person money.
Okay.
Have you done a good deed to that person? Truth.
Yes.
Truth. Is it light or heavy when I ask you? Is it a good deed to give people money?
Yes,
Yes
when
or
in need,
no?
yes,
It's coming yes.
yes.
So I and access I will heard also. It's like enabling them to not choose for themselves. You're acting superior that you can give it to them and they cannot act, they cannot create for themselves. If you didn't give the money and didn't even rebuke or said, okay, now what else can we do to create the money?
Mm.
Asked few questions and allowed them to ask questions. Wouldn't there be any other possibility to create money, Revti?
There would be.
So have you done a good deed by giving money? It says, I think we've all have heard ki, rather than giving fish, tell them to teach them to catch fish.
Mm.
हाँ कवल, ऐसा तो सुना है कि ब्रेड बनाना ही सिखा दो, ब्रेड देने से अच्छा है।
Ha. You are giving money because you want to become a good person in the eyes of the world and or your world. But has it helped the other person?
Kamal, one thing here. Sometimes you really want to help someone.
Who are you to help?
Help means the same
God
ki
also
everyone-
doesn't help you if you don't help yourself. Have you heard that also? If you don't ask, you will not get. God
What
also,
about
they say, doesn't
what
help.
about what about the reference with the maids? Suppose the
Sorry,
maid requires money and
sorry,
she has no other source of income.
sorry, just repeat again.
With reference to maids, I'm talking about. When the maids require money urgently and there is no other source of income for them.
I would recommend asking a question. You will get the awareness of will this money create greater? Where are you coming from? Because they need it, I should give it because I have more? Is that superior point of view that you have? Or is this money going to create greater for that person? I have seen so many times they make such a drama and take money and then they use it for drinking or they use it for some other purposes that is actually not required. Ask a question, girl. There is nothing wrong or right. There are no straight lines. There's no, this is the truth. What if there is nothing to judge ever? Choice is simply choice. If you took out the judgment out of it and truly had freedom with your choice, what would you choose? And what if choice for you is different than what it is for everybody else? What choice do I have here that nobody else does, that I have not been choosing? Everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POAD, basic questions, and beyond. We choose everything in our lives, whether we think we do it or not. Whatever you choose, it is your choice. Whatever is there looking or happening around you is your choice. The moment you acknowledge that, the moment you get that, your life would change. People around us, when we look at them, people are more trained to choose unhappiness than happiness. How many people do you see happy in your world? Oh, this has happened to me. Oh, this is so terrible. I can't change it. How do I change it? कर्मा होंगे, मैंने ही कुछ गड़बड़ करा होगा. How do I? What would it take for me to do things different that will create greater? Yes, Sandhya.
Hi, good morning,
Good
good day.
morning.
So I'm asking how we create pain in our body.
Pain is
I
the
think it's not
intensity.
why.
Pain is the intensity. We give it a name as pain. So what is
Mm-hmm,
it behind? आजकल तो डॉक्टर्स ही पूछते हैं क्या चल रहा है आपके
mm-hmm.
दिमाग में. There are so
Okay.
many people, Louis Hay, they've written books on if you are worried with money, your lower back will pain. If you
Oh, yeah.
if you have if you can't say things out that you want to say to people, then your throat will you will get a cough and your throat will
Thyroid.
be bad.
Yeah.
So what is all that?
Mm-hmm.
So you are the
Then
one
we
who's
say that.
creating that pain. What is it? Hold your hand, put it where there is pain, and ask, hey, what is it that I am doing that's creating this? Body, can we change this? What is required here? And then follow the energy that comes.
Oh, my now is pressing, so I'm not getting what questions can be asked in this, in the
As
back,
you talk to
like what?
children, as you talk to
Okay.
children, it's a
Mm-hmm.
language that you need to learn to talk to your body. There are lots of books also. There's
Mm-hmm.
in Dane's book,
Whispering
whispering something,
something.
body whispering or something.
Yeah,
Please,
yeah, yeah.
please read that. There are so
Mm-hmm.
many free calls I have on YouTube on body.
For on
Body.
body. Oh,
Please listen to
okay.
them.
Yes,
Please,
thank
please
you.
listen to them
Yes, yes.
because they will get you. And then it's like a language that you need to learn. It's like a muscle that you do. You talk to your body for everything that your body eats, your body sleeps, your body wears clothes, your body meets people. You as a spirit do not need to do anything. Have you ever asked your body when you're going to eat something? Have you ever asked your body when you're going to wear something? Have you asked your body when it wants to sleep? No, we're not taught that.
Very, yeah.
You just shift, change the way you look at things, and the things you look at will start to change. So if you say, today I heard half an hour Kamal blah blah and it will change. No. One is getting awareness of it and knowing. The second is taking action. Without action, nothing is going to happen. What happens when you're going to make a big choice? Somebody's palm will sweat, there's heart racing, the hair on the back of your neck will start standing up. That is the choice that will create greater in your life. So be very careful. We ask questions rather than going into conclusion. If I do this, then this will happen. Then that has happened. That's all going into the past. That will create exactly the same what it created in the past.
Can we ask the body to choose a partner?
Of course, body is the one who chooses if you allow it. But this reality says this man is good looking, or he has job, he's got a house, his family is good, background is good, marry.
So, what questions do we ask?
What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery, possibility, choice, power, potency can I be to have to to get connected to a partner that will be nurturing, caring, contributing, expansive, that will make my life expansive and propel me forward to a future I haven't even considered possible. Everything doesn't allow that. Destroy and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, purport, all 100 shots, boys, poets, bases, creations, and beyonds.
Thank you so much. Can you send this clearing statement?
No, you will have to listen to it. It is just 56, just 3-4 minutes before the call ends. So listen to it and write it down. You have to make some effort. My writing it, sending it there, it will keep lying in your phone. How often do you listen to the calls? You never.
Yeah, I just want a spoon feeding. I just want.
Yeah, ask a choice. Should I do this? Is it going to change anything? The first time I chose the class, access class, it was 6,000 rupees. Bars used to be for 6,000. That was also too much for me. Choosing it for myself, spending it on me, and somehow I did it. I think I did it because my sister had done it, my brother had brought it, my cousin had brought it to the world, and he had changed. I went beyond the fear, beyond the uncertainty. It changed my perspective. Please don't hesitate to do anything that's light and fun. It will create lightness and fun.
Just
That
a reminder.
lightness is the sign, that lightness is the indication. Choose it, go for it. The longer you put it off, the longer it takes for the future you are aware of to arrive. So the question isn't if you should do it. The question is, are you ready to fast track your own success, your own change, your own transformation, and see the possibility that this is showing up? How often you think, wow, I want to do this. Oh, that one's doing it, I want to do it. But you will not choose it. Why? Because you have to choose something that with all the justification and all the rightness.
Just a gentle reminder for the
Yeah,
energies
if
for my
you're
mother.
feeling the pull, don't wait, guys. Don't wait.
Please
You
send the
always have choice. Sorry, Revati.
energetic contribution for my mother. Just a reminder.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's just 1 minute left, and Revati's mother is not feeling well. Can we give her the contribution, please, all of you? Yes, thank you, Sandhya. Thank you so much. So all of you can spread your arms and gather all the energy with all your amazing beings. Energy to this lady. What's her name, Revati?
Bhagya Lakshmi.
What?
Bhagya.
Bhagya. Okay, let's give it to her. 5 times 1 to 3 and then 1 to 4. Okay? 1 to 3, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4. You always have choice, guys. And choice matters. That was not familiar to me. Honestly, that was not familiar to me. I have chosen things, I've rebelled against people. They weren't easy choices. They came with consequences. Not fun at all. Most of our life I lived without any choice. No choice universe I was living in. whole different world opened up when I chose Access Consciousness. Most of you will relate to me, right?
Yes. कवल मैं अक्सर क्लाइंट को कहती हूँ यस और नो, फेंस में नहीं बैठो वरना बबी दुखेगा.
Yeah. Life is more adventurous, more exciting, full of joy. We only had three. We had three Lodi parties. How does it get any better than this? Bonfire every day. My son was here and he was on a job and he had 10, 11 colleagues working with him. So I have invited them over. Just calls me at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, says, I've invited them over for dinner. We'll call, order food. You just get the bonfire done. It was such an exciting thing. I went to work 2 to 4:30. I created the dinner. At 4:30,
Oh, wow.
4:30 I went for my Bhangra class, came back at 6:30. 7 o'clock, those guys came. 7, 8, I think they came late. And we had so much of fun. Fun is right there. Are you asking it to come? Or you're just saying, no, I can't do it because I have to go there, because I have to do this. How many justifications for not living? Please check yourself, guys. I love this because you see people change in front of your eyes. Life seems worth living. They ask me, what do you do? At 77, I'm going to be 77 soon. I do what I love doing. Isn't that enough?
You don't look beyond 50.
Yes.
You don't have,
Wow.
Revati, I cannot hear you because you're not there. You're not at the screen, you're not next to the mic. Every time I have to
I said
ask you 2 times, what are you saying?
I said you look like 50.
Oh, thank you. I love you. I love you.
Yes, yes. The energy.
Now I
I
heard
feel
you,
like
Revti.
I'm 16, but
I said Kamal will say, now I heard you, Revti.
now I heard you, Revti. Yes, I love that. बोलते रहो, अच्छा लगता है. शुक्र है निपी भी बोली.
तारीफ
Kamal,
करोगे कब तक? It's like
inspiration
that,
for
the
me.
song.
Yeah, exactly. So there is something that
Kamal,
you
you are
knew.
a big inspiration for me.
Sorry?
I said you are a very big inspiration for me in my life. I
Love you,
always
love
say
you,
that.
love you, love you guys so much.
Mm.
So
Thank
there is something you know. There is something I knew when I chose Access and became a CF. So what do you know that you have not acknowledged yet? Who are you that you have not acknowledged that? If you are functioning from consciousness, awareness, presence, could you ever make a choice that won't work for you? You must have heard million times in Access, but I will say it again before I stop. Did you know your point of view creates your reality? So if that is true, and you become aware of what you say, what you think, would it allow you to create a life that you desire? Awesome, guys. Thank you so much for getting up in the morning and so cold and showing up here. I'm so glad people are there on the Insta Live and on. Wow. Audrish Chakravarti is here. Lovely to have you here, Audrish. Happy birthday once again. And all of you here on the Zoom, thank you.
Thank
Who
you
is
very much.
this? I think is a new person here, Mona. Mona, can I have a look at your face, darling? No?